Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are liking my videos, kindly do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start our video. Today I am going to talk about Fukre 3. I have recently watched it on Amazon Prime platform, and I want to talk about this movie Fukre 3. Personally, I'm sorry guys, I do not like this movie because I thought it was a forced sequel than the first one and the second one. It was really a forced sequel, and personally I don't like it because of several reasons. Because because they have given importance to the Chucha character. No doubt he was an Pankaj Tripathi character was brilliant in the film, but the reason I don't like it because I have watched its first and second part, and all the actors' performances were brilliant in the first second part, and there was a kind of emotions between all the characters, whether the friendship between the four of them, the bond between them, the emotions between them, the friendship between them all, the conflict of all of them in the first part were very well executed and were looking brilliant in every aspect. And second part was also good, and there was a different theme in the second part, but it was good. It was fun to watch. I thoroughly enjoyed second part, but I don't understand why they needed to make the third part of this Fukre 3. It was there that the producers want to make money, so they told to the director that you have to make it whether or not, and he can do anything, and he had made this this part, but nevertheless it was okay. It wasn't worst, but it was okay because of Chucha character and Pankaj Tripathi character. And one thing I also feel is that Fukre 3, that the Pulkit Samrat and the Sikh character were literally emotionless. There was no bond between Chucha and the rest of them. For uh, like that in the first part and second part, and also I feel that the Sikh character and Pulkit Samrat character were tired of doing comedy. I feel in this movie, but I am happy that at least Ali Fazal hasn't done this part, because it was not that great like its previous ones. So I'm happy for Ali Fazal, but the feel the emotions you get from the first, second, the entertainment, the comedy were very well executed in the first, second part, and it was brilliant. It was looking like the director have made the first, second part from his heart and soul, but this time he failed to make it because definitely it was a grab for the producers to make more money. So he was forced, and it was his and he I thought that the director do not want to make, but Definitely he was forced, so he had to make it. So that's my review. I don't like this movie. If you like it, tell me in comment section, and do not forget